Hi guys. I'm doing my dad's medicine.
What are you doing, Ellie? You're helping Daddy with his medicine?
Yeah.
Very good. Is that part of your chores?
Yes, it is.
Very good. You're so sweet.
I'm 7 years old. I
Yeah.
live in the Philippines.
She's placing medicines, refilling medicines for Daddy. She's so sweet. Hi, Ellie. Say hi to your fans.
I
Louder.
is everything okay?
What's the medicine for?
My
For high blood pressure.
I'm grade 2 because I'm 7. When you're 7, that means you're grade 2. When you're grade 1, that means you're 6.
Oh. Okay. I'll say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.